What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, we just came back from unboxing the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and giving you guys my first impressions. If you haven't seen that video, a link in the description will be put. But here we go, guys. Galaxy Watch Ultra. To be honest, throughout this entire Samsung event, this is what I was most excited about. I have always wanted an Ultra-looking watch from Samsung, and we finally have one. But hey, taking a look at the box, we got a colorful strap, a lot of color going on here. I do really like that. It is a chunky box. This is a pretty big box, so I wonder how this is going to be. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. Let's go ahead and get these nice peels going, or if they even are peels. Oh, silly me, they're peels from the top. Let's go ahead and get that. Now this watch does not come in a GPS only option. It is, you can only get it with GPS. Oof, that was very unsatisfying. You can only get it with GPS and cellular. I don't know how to feel about that, to be honest. I know it is an Ultra watch, but like, come on. You should at least be able to give us like an option to have like cellular or GPS or both, to be honest. But yeah, here we go. Let's go ahead and pop this guy open. Can't be asked. It is not opening. So we're gonna just use the tip of this knife to kind of cut open the sides of the box here and hope it'll open. Okay, got that side. We just gotta get this side more. Man, so much for that unsatisfying open, and now the watch itself won't even. Okay, let's try this again. See if it'll come out of the box this time. Jesus, I'm gonna just pull it open here. Come on, there we go. All right. Oh, and we got the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra branding there. Look at that. The W's a bit worn off, probably in shipping. I don't want to break this box, but hey. That's what we're probably gonna have to do. Dang! Y'all couldn't have made this easier for me, huh? Okay. Okay. Ooh, I broke the box. You know what? It's fine. Sometimes we gotta do it a little rough out here. Sweet! Boxes in boxes. So here we go. We have the Marine band, my favorite looking band out of all of them. So, funny story. As I was pre-ordering this watch, I went with the black color. The pre-order bonus gave 2 straps, which is pretty nice. We'll go ahead and open those in a bit. But once I ordered it, because I thought I wasn't gonna like the orange band, but then after I ordered it, I was like, man, I need the orange band. So I ended up buying the orange band. So we're gonna set up with this band. We'll still open these, but we're gonna set it up with this bad boy. But then I'm assuming the second box, boom, there it is. Galaxy Watch Ultra, baby. I like the orange accents. I went with the titanium gray option. I don't think there are any online exclusives this time around. Oh boy, more things to cut open. Samsung, Samsung, Samsung. Why do you do this to me? Okay. I'm just gonna use the tip of this. All right. Make this easier for me, Samsung. This is like the most hyped product, for me at least. Alright, here we have all the accessories that I got with my watch. I ended up ripping these all open off camera so you guys didn't have to suffer through that. But yeah, here we got the watch and the 3 bands. Let's take a look at the 2 bands I was given here. We got the Marine band and the Trail band. Let me go ahead and pop open the Marine band first. This is the one I was most hyped about. That box out of the way. We got some paperwork. I don't think y'all want to see that, I'm gonna be honest. Throw that to the side. Take a look at that. Looks real nice. Feels very nice. Got a nice rubbery feel to it. Sorry, my camera's having a bit struggle there. Looking nice. I'm a big watch guy myself, so this got me extremely hyped. But yeah, we're not gonna really set this one up because I'm rarely gonna be wearing that one, to be honest, now that I think of it. I really like the orange one. Let me know in the comments below. Which ones did you guys like / purchase? We got the Trail band over here. There are 3 band options. I forget what the last one is called off the top of my head, but there are 3 options. This is gonna be Trail band. This one's got a much like nice like fabric-y feel to it. All right, All right, I do apologize for that random cut. My camera kind of overheated. Shout out Sony. It is a bit hot in the room, to be fair, so I'm not going to put too much pressure on them. But as I was showing on the camera, I like these little accents. It's not going to focus here, I bet. But I like these little accents on the side. Got the orange and the pull here. If it'll focus, I don't think it wants to. It's fine. You guys get what I'm saying. Once we do the review video, we'll have better angles of the bands and whatnot. Trust me, guys. And here we go. Let's put these to the side, actually. Yeah, let's look at the band I've been waiting for, the orange band. This one came before everything. Let's get this bad boy open. Oh, that looks awesome. I really like that. Oof, I am excited to put this on the watch. Take a look at that. Looks really nice. Put that off to the side just for a bit so we have time to unbox this bad boy. Dang, I told y'all this was what I was most excited about during this entire reveal. Ooh, baby, that looks nice. Jeez, I'm very excited for this. This is gonna be really fun. This is gonna be a more fun unboxing video because I knew what to expect with the fold, but this, come on, I didn't know what I was getting into. Just gonna open this bad boy. We're gonna have the same watch charger, I assume. Yes, sir. Got the same one going on over there. Set that to the side. And yeah, some paperwork. But let's put some focus on to the watch itself. And here we got the star of the show, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, we are looking at a 1.5-inch AMOLED display in a 47mm size. Got a titanium case with a sapphire crystal display. So no screen protector going on this bad boy. We're getting 2 gigs of RAM on this guy, 32 gigs of storage, 590 milliamp battery. Man, I just can't get my hands and eyes off this thing. It looks great. Now, I gotta voice something here. A lot of people have been saying Apple Watch Ultra ripoff, blah blah blah. Let me tell you this. Now, I do admit to an extent, they may have jacked some stuff, but I ain't complaining, okay? I will say, Samsung, the orange strap, like the little orange accents, you know what I'm saying? I know it's a watch, but I think they got a little idea from Apple. Other than that, I don't think the watch itself is a copy of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Or excuse me, the Apple Watch Ultra. In my opinion, because Samsung has been in the watch game for quite some time. They have been doing it for a while now. And if you guys don't remember, one of like the older Samsung watches, like the Samsung Gear, I'll put a photo right over here if I can find it. But there was literally a Samsung watch back in the day that looked like this. Circular display with a square body. I personally really like this look. A lot of people don't. I wouldn't say a lot of people. At first it was kind of mixed. But then when people see it in person, like this looks beautiful in my opinion. But like I said, I don't see it as a copy of the Apple Watch Ultra because Samsung's been doing this for quite a while now. And a lot of people forget what the older Samsung Galaxy watches look like. And this is a pretty close look, of what the older Galaxy Watch Ultra looked. The only thing I will say maybe got a little ideas from is that orange accenting and the orange band. But hey, we've seen actual watch companies do it all the time. I know Patek Philippe has orange bands. Like, you can get orange bands for any watch. So you know what? We're not going to say anyone copied anybody. We're just going to talk about how beautiful this thing looks because Jesus, it is beautiful. But one thing I'm disappointed about. That bezel. Let me show you something I love about Samsung watches. Here's my Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Y'all hear that? Well, probably not here, but y'all see that rotating bezel? My watch is off right now, but that's what we wanted. If this watch had that rotating bezel, it would have been perfect. Now, don't get me wrong. I love this watch, and I'm trading my Watch 6 Classic for it. Come on, Samsung. I know you guys usually do the rotating bezels on the Classic lineup. They typically do the Watch Classic, and then the Pro/Ultra. One thing I did want to mention, a lot of people thought this was their first Ultra. It kind of is, but then again, we got to look into what the Pro lineup was, what the Watch 5 Pro. I believe this is what's taking up the Pro lineup. But Samsung always does that thing where it's Classic, then the Pro/Ultra. Classic, then Pro/Ultra. But yeah, with all that talk away, man, let's just set this watch up. I believe they are like using a magnetic attach of some sort. Sorry, let me just try to get this thing to work. I'm kind of dumb, to be honest. Let me take the sticker off. I feel really dumb right now. Let me take the sticker off from the back. Oh, I didn't show you guys that. New sensor on the watch. We got a new bioactive sensor. That's going to be really interesting. But yeah, I will continue my watch rant in a second. Let me at least just put this on the wrist, yo. Okay, how are we doing this? I thought this was like magnetically attached. Maybe I'm just doing it the wrong way. Okay. All right, there we go. Got the band on. They are clicks in. I didn't do it on the desk because it was just much easier if I just had it against me and just pushed it in. But take a look at that. Let's have this side by side with my Classic. Jesus, I'm gonna miss you, rotating bezel, but come on, this thing looks amazing. Love the orange band. Let's go ahead and put this thing on the wrist here. Quick second. Get that first initial feel for you guys on the wrist. And man, oh my god, I got a small wrist. Don't clown me in the comment section. But I'm happy. This feels great. Here's the Watch 6 Classic next to it. I love that square circle shape. I really, really do. This thing looks awesome. And it feels really nice too. Very comfortable. All right, very nice. I'm really liking this. Let me know what you guys think. This is the titanium gray color. Once again, orange accents on the bezel. Really like it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I just do want to mention before booting this up, I really like the click. And you know how you can like press out the band. I feel like that's much easier than what this was. On the previous Samsung watches, it was a press on the band itself, and then the springs would pop out, you know. This is nicer. I really like this. Very easy to switch bands. Overall, very nice. Let's just go ahead and boot this thing up, man. I'm so excited for this watch. Like I said, super hyped for this thing. Please don't be dead on arrival. Hold on. Boom. Got that Samsung logo up there. Jeez, looking nice. But yeah, pretty much big update. We had a big software update. I did want to talk about this while this is booting up. Had a big software update on Galaxy watches, which I'm really happy about. They improved a lot of stuff regarding like animations and how fluid and seamless the watch is to work with. Very interested to see how that's going to be on a day-to-day basis. Welcome. Hello. I do have to pair this up with my Z Fold 6 here. Let's go ahead and... Oh, if I just had that rotating bezel, man, I'm just saying, Samsung. Come on. Yeah, let me go ahead and set this up on my Z Fold 5 so you guys can see like the default watch face and whatnot, and then we'll do a bit of talking of some quick new features that this guy's got to offer. Alright, just finished getting that set up on my Z Fold 6. Let's go ahead and put that boy to the side and take a look at that. Let's see here. Oh, didn't want to hit that yet. Yeah, I know how to work this thing. Alright, there is the default watch face. And like I said, man, I miss being able to use the bezel. There is still a bezel. It's like a, let me see if I can show y'all. Yeah, it's like a virtual bezel. Like, it's nice, I guess, but like, man, I really wish the bezel was still there. But let's go ahead and do some swiping. Don't want to do too much because we're going to save a majority of this for the review. This is just mainly my first impression. Very fluid, very nice out-of-the-box experience. Still got the same energy score, whatnot. This can also track sleep apnea, which is very interesting. We'll talk more about that in the official review. I'm liking it. I'm really liking it. It's really fluid out the box. Swipe up for our apps. Looking nice. Swipe down, notification. There we go. Man, really happy with how this watch is. And we got, not the action button. What's it called? the quick button or something. I don't remember what it's called. But here we can get like our workouts in and stuff like that. Pretty cool, pretty cool. The watch itself does have the gestures as well, like a pinch gesture and whatnot. We'll do more on that on our full review, but there are gestures with this watch, which is pretty cool. Man, I hold on, guys. I'm gonna just put this on my wrist again. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Honestly, the hype was worth it. Like, I'm very hyped to, especially like once I'm wearing it now, like this watch is great. And I've worn, this is coming from somebody who has worn and used an Apple Watch Ultra before, all right? I don't like to keep my bias. I've used Apple Watch Ultra. I am currently coming from my Watch 6 Classic, which was really nice. But like, man, come on. Let me boot up my Watch 6 Classic too, so we can kind of take a look at that. There's that on the way. But man, come on. Let me know what you guys think, how the watch looks. I personally think this looks nicer than the Apple Watch Ultra. That's just me being honest, y'all. I really like the look of this watch. Looks nice. I just like big watches on my wrist. Like, I really like big watches. It feels really nice, very comfortable. But yeah, really big fan of the orange strap once again. But yeah, man, Samsung's been doing their thing with watches for a while. They've been in the watch game for a while. I believe they made watches before Apple as well. Just pretty nice. I've always been a big watch guy, and it's really nice to see Samsung always coming out with some cool new watches. But yeah, definitely gonna get all my watch faces and everything. Play around with this for a week and whatnot. Same thing with the Fold, and do a full-fledged review on it. Gonna say goodbye to this bad boy. Let me show you the watch face I had on this. It's pretty cool. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I know I said this a few times. I'm just pretty hyped with this watch. But let me know what you guys think, your honest opinions. If you bought the watch yourself, how you're liking it yourself. I'm really liking it. Going to be doing some workouts in this. I'm thinking of doing a cool workout / review when I'm doing it, especially with the watch, so you guys can see it in like my day-to-day activities and whatnot. Here, this guy booted up. But definitely, like I said, it does feel much more fluid out the box, like a much more fluid out-of-the-box experience compared to my previous Samsung watches, which I'm very happy about. Yeah, look at that. That's a pretty nice watch face. Got that Windows 95/98 look to it. Very nice, very nice. Like I said, gonna miss that bezel. This is what I was talking about, the whole bezel action going on here. It's nice, but I think I can deal with this. Who knows? Or watch Samsung do this. The next watch release they're gonna do for the Ultra, which is gonna be like in a year and a half or whatever, it's gonna have a bezel. I'm not wrong. It's probably gonna have the bezel. But yeah, that is the Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Get another close-up of that bad boy. Oh my god, I'm gonna have so much fun doing the review video on this guy. But yeah, there we go, everybody. That was the unboxing video for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in my next YouTube video.